Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to recover your Gmail account. Yes, we shall be looking at how you can easily recover your Gmail account, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. Before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, just open your Google and search for Google Help. So once you open your Google, just search for Google Help. Once you click on Google Help, click on the first link and you can see over here Google account. Click on Google account, and once you click on Google account, scroll, and once you scroll you can see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Click on this option, and once you click on this option, scroll, and once you scroll you can see recover a hacked or hijacked Google account or Gmail. Click on this option, and once you click on this option, scroll to where you can see over here account recovery page. Click on account recovery page, and you can see account recovery. Now enter your phone number over here, now once you enter your phone number, click on next, and once you click on next you can see use your fingerprint, face or screen lock. Click on continue and use your fingerprint or your face ID. Now you can see welcome back. Now with this, our account is almost recovered. So all the accounts you have created with this number will pop up. So click on continue, or you can choose to change the password. So you can change the password or you can continue, and boom, you are done. So you can see an email is being sent to me over here. So you can see account recovered successfully, and you can see welcome back to your account. So with this, you can easily recover your Google account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more.